This carpet is so beyond saving. Back here doesn't look as bad, but if I go up front here, join me, won't you? You can just see. Yeah, no, I'm just going to cut my losses on this and put a junkyard special in there. This thing has smells that just won't go away, so. Oh well, I'm gonna finish this up and do a video in the morning because I'm tired. Well, we're at day 2. I had to stop and pick up some parts for my impact. But yeah, carpet is beyond saving. I don't trust it. I wouldn't want my kids in it, so it's going away. Filthy. Let's record it coming out, just because it's interesting to see. No, come on, stay up. That's good. Best you can do, guys. There's so much water in here. Oh. That's interesting. I didn't see that before. Gross, 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 gross. Okay. So, more interesting news. There's a lot of fucking water in here. Apparently the floor pan got punched up at one point. So that ain't good. Hammer time on that. Yeah. The water, the crap. Nothing else remains. A lot of extra wiring. Huh. Well, let's get to work on this. Well, now, we have come a long way. Oh, this carpet's so much nicer. I found that. Where's the paper come from? Oh, 1 sec. That's what I was using for soldering. Fucking hell. Soldering earlier. But it's come a long way. Got all the water soaked up. The bolts, I'm probably just going to re-tap them later on. But yeah, this is coming together real nicely. Debating on the middle right now, but I'm probably going to rewire just for police interceptor because it's fun. I have the parts already. Alright. Oh yeah, and all the bolts for the back seat went back except for one bracket for the child seat. Let's see if I can find that in a little bit. But yeah. Holy shit. Well, it's raining. Old carpet is rotting in peace. Interior is back together, so I'll look for a better seat. But yeah. Probably not going to be the permanent center console. I'll throw it in there just because I had it. She's still not firing, but interior's back together. Seats are all hooked up. I had to put a self-tapper in because the bolt broke on two of the seats. This one on the farther outbound, that one on the inner one. fix that one up later. Still mold here on the glass. So I think that's, wow, that seat's dirty. I still do a lot more in here, but at least now it has clean carpets and it's presentable. I might use these. New carpet has an old style plug, so it's not really gonna match. Still gotta figure out what's up with the computer here. Not getting any bang going on. I don't think there's another computer missing, but I'll check up on that later on. Oh shit. Here's the old junkyard one. Got a light bar today. Actually, it's actually the same style that was on this old girl. More center console bits I was going through. Sure enough, the one box I need with more Crown Vic parts in it in the very bottom, so that's tomorrow. More brackets there. I might put that antenna I had from the Portsmouth car on here. I think that would look pretty good. But yeah, she's coming along. Tomorrow, rain or shine, I'm going to the junkyard. And I'm gonna go and hopefully get that part of the loom I'm missing. Ooh, that does not look good. I was poking into the seat like that. I'll work on that. But yeah, that's kind of where we're at now. I've reached this point where I'm comfortable with how it's looking. No longer looks like a complete bag of ass. Oh yeah, and there's a full harness I found under the seats, so I might have some fun with that later. But for right now, that's kind of where I'm at. I might pull the fuel filter just because I can, and I want to see if there's any fuel actually in there. We'll find out more later. But yeah, I forgot what the nickname I gave this thing already. I'll have to go back in the videos and check. Starting one. Ooh, don't you get lost down there. Take a look at the hood for right now. So that way no water gets in here. Oh, what's the computer? That's what's hitting. Yeah. God, I'm hoping this thing doesn't have a computer in it. I mean, a little pass system. That would suck. Someone's a little pissed off out there. I'm really wondering if this thing has a pass system in it. Might have to go call up Ford and find out. Pats, whatever it's called. But yeah, that's where we're at. I'll hook the battery in a minute. Have a good one.